Yo, check the spreadsheets, then check the tire pressure. It's the NBA legend, the king of the pedal.
We talking about cars.
Back into the lecture hall, crunching every number. Now he's in the fast lane, waking up the slumber. And accounting by day, keeping balances tight. But a cycling machine in the morning light. He's got the Lycra on, looking oh so sleek. Audit in the morning, Mountain Peak by the week. Oh, Kai, he's rolling, the funniest guy that we know. He's rolling, from the NBA to the open road. He got the heart of a lion and a heavy load of kindness, laughter, and bicycle gears. The best family friend we've had in years. When the bikes are parked and the sun goes down, he's the favorite uncle in the whole dang town. Playing with the kids, running around the yard. Being a superhero isn't even